Right there is just more of the Newport area. Alright, you know something? I think I can actually see the top piece to the antenna from here, right next to the base. Let me try to zoom in on it. Yep, that's it. I can actually see the top piece to the antenna spire from here clearly. This is a really cool camera. I can see that all the way from here. Let's continue. I'm not done yet. Alright. Further along into Jersey City, we can see Tower 4 straight on. Here's a look for you. I actually just noticed that the netting, the blue netting, which has acted as a safety mechanism for the workers, is now being removed. So right there, of course, are the communications rings and the observation deck floors. One set of floors is already filled in. I believe that's 101 and 102 they have to do. And then the rest of the floors are mechanical. There's the antenna. I don't know what you guys think so far, but I'm loving this camera. Looks like it's been complete on that side. Alright, I'm standing at the New York Waterway docks in Jersey City. Here again is 1 and 4 World Trade Center. I think here is as far as I'm going to go for today. Out there is the Verrazano Narrows Bridge to Staten Island. Usually I can only get a very small look at it with my old camera zoom. Let's see what I can get here. Yep, there it is. Looks good. Sorry about that. Still learning to hold this camera properly. So out here is the rest of Manhattan. You can even see the George Washington Bridge here. Right down there is the George Washington Bridge. Whoops. There's a space shuttle. I believe it is Endeavour. It is standing there on the Intrepid. It is Chelsea Piers and the rest of the uptown and midtown area. There's the New York Times building. You can also see 157. The Empire State Building and the MetLife Building. And way out there is the Chrysler Building. And of course, we are back to 1 and 4 World Trade Center. So again, it looks like the glass is going to finish up really soon, in the next month or two. And the antenna spire is making progress along with the second and third communications ring. This gap here should be filled in within the next few days. A week at the most, but I think it'll be done by then. Here's another look at the observation deck floors. Those are the communications rings. First, second, and third ring. Oh, look right there. There's another piece of the spire right behind it. I didn't see that until now. That's another piece to the antenna spire. Didn't even notice it sitting up there. Soon that will be lifted to the top here. And I believe after that it will only be the top piece. See a lot of mechanical equipment up there. Let's take a look at Tower 4 real quick. The bulkhead is nearly wrapped in now. Looks complete from that angle, but it is going all the way around the back first before it comes back to the front. A lot of progress, even in just a week. Alright everybody, that's all I got time for today. So that's going to conclude my test of this new camera, the Panasonic HC-V100M camcorder. Well, this is part 1 to my test. I need to make another test video at the train station. So this was a World Trade Center test. Now I gotta make a test with the train videos. I guess I'll also look at the low light settings also, considering that it's getting dark. Let me just look at the base cladding real quick one more time. So that's the base cladding. And yes, that concludes this test of this new camera and quick look of 1 and 4 World Trade Center. I'm really looking for your feedback on this one, so please be sure to let me know what you think about this. If you have any comments or questions about the towers, feel free to ask me. And feel free to tell me about the quality and sound of this video. Most importantly, I hope you enjoyed this. Please do not hesitate to leave your feedback. I'm NJT Amtrak Guy. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.